Manoj Kumar Singh, Department of Hematology, and my topic is role of technology in bone marrow transplant. Next slide. Bone marrow transplantations, hematopoietic stem cell transplantation (HSCT). This is the new field for OT technologies. It is a non-surgical procedure in which the disease or damaged bone marrow of the patients replaced by healthy marrow stem cells from appropriately HLA matched donor. Stem cells are CD34 positive cells, are immature blood cells. Stem cells are more important cells in bone marrow transplantations. What is stem cell? Stem cells are high proliferative, capable of producing all cell type in the blood. RBCs, WBCs, platelets, self-renewable, characterized by CD34 cells, that is lineage, the developmental history of a differentiates cells as tracked back to the cell from which it arises. They renew themselves for long period through cell divisions. Source of stem cells. Source of stem cells are mainly found in three places. Peripheral blood stem cells, PBSC, also called the PBSC. Stem cells mobilized from bone marrow to the peripheral blood circulation by cytokine stimulation, GCSF. Frequency of stem cell in the peripheral blood varies considerably depending on the type of mobilizations and the disease type and stages. Second one is the bone marrow. Bone marrow is the main sternum, pelvis, and end of the large bones. Frequency of stem cells occur 1 to 4%. And third one is the umbilical cord blood tubing. Fetal hematopoiesis occur in the yolk sacs, then the liver and the spleen, and move to the bone marrow via the circulations around the time of birth. Frequency 0.1 to 1.5%. This is the technologist role in BMT. Main technologist role in BMT is the harvesting of stem cells, cryopreservation of stem cells, and thawing of stem cells. Harvesting of stem cells. This is the medical technology in which the peripheral blood of a person is passed through an apparatus that separate out one particular constituents and return the remainder to the circulations. Principals draw blood from the patients and move it through centrifuges and or filter separate blood product. Apheresis machines withdraw blood of patients or donor. Central line and circulated through a centrifuges, separate out stem cells and return the remaining blood to the patients or donor. ACD used as the anticoagulant. It prevents platelet activations and coagulation as blood moves through out extracorporeal unit, that is tubing sets. There are so many equipment used in the peripheral blood harvesting collections. Spectroptia, CS300 plus, MCS plus, Amicus. Stem cells in bone marrow can be mobilized into peripheral blood and then collected. This is the apheresis machine. At the time of procedure of stem cell harvest, this is the apheresis machine. Patients. Removal of stem cells. How to remove stem cells? Stem cells or apheresis of harvesting is the basically principle on the centrifuges. The chamber of the, this is the chamber. This is the chamber, hole is the chamber. And density of the cells portion is the greater than, more than 1.077 gram per ml. That is the polymorphonuclear cells are erythrocytes. Diameter is 6.8 to 8.2 microns. Between them, this is the filter and the mononuclear cell. This zone is called Buffy. This zone is Buffy. Buffy zone, maximum mononuclear cells occur in Buffy zones, and the above portion is the plasma layer, that is 55%. Thrombocytes, platelet, diameter 2 to 4 microns, cytokines, hormones, and electrolytes. And the density of the cells component in this portion is less than 1.077 gram per ml. Mononuclear cells, basically lymphocytes, diameter 5 to 10 microns, are medium types of 10 to 18 microns lymphocytes, and monocytes, diameter 16 to 25 microns. That is the erythrocytes, polymorphonuclear cells, eosinophils, and neutrophils. Especially these Buffy zones, mononuclear cells, abundant zone. Mechanism. This is the Buffy ring. This is the Buffy ring, mainly white blood cells, WCS, and above light yellow color is the platelet-rich plasma, PRP, and the bottom of the Buffy coat, red blood cells, RBCS, whole blood after first transfusion state. Diluted Buffy rings 1:1 with the TNC set over the percals. Every place the percal or fical used for the removal of the PBMCs. And the third one is after this is the plasma platelet. So this is the plasma and platelet, the layer of PBMCs. This zone is the layer of peripheral blood mononuclear cells, and this is the percal. In place of percal, use the fical. And RBC and granulocytes layer distribution after centrifugations through percal density gradients. Cryopreservations of stem cells. Cryopreservation basically used in the long time, after long time use जो करते हैं हम पेशेंट में ट्रांसप्लांट करने के लिए, तो स्टेम सेल्स को प्रिजर्व करने के लिए क्रायोप्रिजर्व किया जाता है. That is, the cryo is the Greek word karyos, that is frost. It literally means preservation in stem frozen states principle to bring a stem cell to a zero metabolism and non-dividing state by reducing the temperature in the presence of cryopreservations. In cryopreservation is used 10% of dimethyl sulfoxide, that is DMSO. It prevents intracellular or extracellular crystal from forming in the cells during the freezing process. Compatible cryo-poor plasma and DMSO to make a cryomedia. Add equal amount of harvested product, that is mononuclear cells, and cryomedia. Example, just 50 ml of harvested product and 50 ml of cryomedia in cryoside bag, and then first transfer in -80°C, and after 24 hours, it transfer in liquid nitrogen, that is -196° temperature. Dose of the stem cell harvest is 3 to 5 million cells per kg body weight of the recipient. All cryopreservation work done in the laminar air flow hood. Thawing. Unlike the freezing process, thawing should be quick. Bag can be placed in 37°C. Water bath to facilitate the thawing process. Prolonged exposure of stem cell to DMSO at 22 to 37°C may be harmful. To minimize this, one bag at a time should be thawed. Thawing product immediately infused to patients. Thank you.